To auto use your photo as home screen wallpaper when work mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap work, scroll down the screen. Under wallpaper section, tap home screen thumbnail, tap gallery, and then select the desired photo you like to use. Here you can see the preview of the wallpaper. If you are okay with the result, tap down button. By doing this, the selected photo will automatically be used as your home screen wallpaper when the work mode is active. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.